Good morning, students. After many days, I'm going to upload new video. Sorry for that because I was busy in evaluation work, board evaluation work. So many things we will discuss when school will open. I will say you the merit and demerit of all that thing. But today now we are going to continue our leftover topic, that is asexual reproduction. So we are going to start another form of asexual reproduction, and that is fragmentation, regeneration, tissue culture, and vegetative propagation. So, in fragmentation, you will see, as you read in class 11, that in algae, the body is thallus, and the thallus body is fragmented, means have a segment, have a small segment. In this segment, you will see the nuclei form. These nuclei, when they get detached, detached means alag hona. When they get detached from the lateral body part, this may give rise to new organism. So you can see any type of algae. Then after is regeneration. Regeneration means generation of new organism from the old ones. Means from the body part only, a new body part may give rise of new organism, and this occurs due to presence of a specialized tissue. A specialized tissue is a collection of tissue which has capacity to generate the either lost body part or the new organism. So it is of two types. We call it as repartitive and restorative. In repartitive, you will see a small part of body develop, that you see in lizard. When lizard tail get detached, in this you will see that a small body part may develop the whole body part, that you will see hydra. In hydra you will see that a body part, means this hydra may lose the body part, and this may generate into the new hydra. Now the next is restorative. In this restorative, you will observe that the lost body part may develop, which you always observe in lizard. In lizard, you observe that lizard lost their tail, and this lost tail may develop into the new tail after some time. That is the part of regeneration. So now you may ask, what is the difference between fragmentation and regeneration? So fragmentation takes place with a fragment which contains only single nucleus, whereas regeneration consists of a specialized tissue which has a special kind of tissue which may give rise of new organism. Now the next is tissue culture. Tissue culture is the best method of asexual reproduction, because in this tissue culture you will observe a small apical meristem of shoot, not of root, only of shoot. This meristem is cultured in the nutrient medium. This nutrient medium may be IA, IBA, that you read in plant hormone in class 11. IA means indole acetic acid, IBA means indole butyric acid. Now these two nutrient medium is put in a petri dish where this callus means a part of apical meristem of shoot part, is kept, and after few days you will observe that a plantlet appear. This plantlet may give rise of new plant. Now you may ask, which one is the best? Rest again I will tell you about the vegetative propagation, different type of vegetative propagation also. But now you will discuss that among this all asexual reproduction, which one is good? So I told you firstly spore formation is the best method. The next, in laboratory we always go for tissue culture, which is also very good, because in this we always take a very healthy plant which do not contain any disease, which do not have any discomfort, not having any problem in their parental character. So in this condition, this new plant may develop into a healthy organism. So this one is best also. The disadvantage, it is not that all the time the tissue culture will be successful. Maybe it will be unsuccessful also. But in this, you can culture a healthy, developed organism.